Good evening, everyone. This is Team 2. Today we're going to be presenting our high school, the Sanford High School, based in Arlington, Texas. So this is a brief overview of what we're going to be going over today. We're going to be looking at our goals and objectives, our initial planning, our site and floor plans, and our highlights.
These are initial napkin sketches. We have plans for the site itself and the football stadium, and then we have a bubble diagram for the school and our masking model, which was inspired by a snapping turtle, an Arlington native species, and our mascot. For our goals and objectives, we wanted to focus on creativity with our fine arts wing, technology by granting access to learning resources for all the students, and we wanted to push boundaries through innovation and in sustainability.
This is our initial site, which is 117 acres. It's located in a residential area near UT Arlington, and in the center we have the Texas Masonic Retirement Home, which is on top of a 40-foot hill. In the southeast, there's a brownfield and oil rigs, which we plan to clear for construction. This is our logistics plan prior to construction, and we plan to maximize efficiency and safety through multiple muster points and loading zones. Here's stage 2 of our plan as we finish construction, and as you can see, we've completed the construction of most buildings and roads, and we'll finish clearing the brownfield where the remaining sports fields will go.
This is the programming from our site. We estimate that our school will take up about 170,000 square feet, and the total square footage used will be roughly 700,000 square feet. We estimate that it will take 1 year to complete our school. As you can see in the Gantt chart, each color represents a different phase of construction. This is our final rendered site. As you can see, there is easy access and walkability throughout the campus.
Here's our first floor plan. We have a nice entrance space that opens up into our flexible library and learning area. On the right-hand side is our classroom wings. To the left-hand side, we have our CTE classrooms, our kitchen, and our cafeteria. In the central part of our school, we have our gymnasium space and our athletics wing. And to the top of the space, we have our auditorium. Heading up to our second story, we have a continuation of our classroom spaces on the right-hand side in those wings. And then in the central part of the school, we have a faculty area, and the pink square highlighted is our dance studio. On the third story, we now have a continuation of our classrooms once again. And then on the hilltop, which is located on the right-hand side, that building up there is our fine arts and performing arts wing. And this includes a theater hall, a band hall and percussion hall, a orchestra hall, and a choir hall.
These are two section views of the school. On the top one, you can see the classrooms going all the way down the wings, and the bottom one shows the gymnasium and auditorium. Here are all 4 elevation views of the school, and as you can see, the school is partially built into the hill.
This is the plumbing system for one of our student restrooms, and this is the MEP system for one of our classrooms. The blue squares signify the air diffusers, while the red squares are the returns. The air will be directed to the air handlers on the roof of each wing. We have outlets along every wall and a light switch by the door.
We estimate our school to cost approximately $400 million, which references existing schools in the area and accounts for inflation. To maximize our sustainability, we're using monocrystalline solar panels, passive solar through a glass roof, and several green spaces and natural vegetation.
Here are some of the highlights of our school. We included a flexible library which provides advanced technology and a variety of books to enable effective learning for students. In our CTE classrooms, we included a variety of technology so that students can learn career-specific skills, and we also have 30-foot ceilings and curtain windows. Lastly, we included a geodesic dome over the entrance, providing passive solar lighting for the open-air offices. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for your time and consideration.